we're here at Malad West Metro Station in Mumbai on a very hot day, and I'm joined by Mr. Raamdeo Agrawal on this occasion where this station is being renamed as Motilal Oswal Malad West Metro Station. Thank you so much for joining us. I'd like to start by asking about this collaboration, sir. Now we'll get to see the name Motilal Oswal on a metro station. How did this come about?
Yeah, so we were surprised to see, we were pleasantly surprised to see participation in white by the authorities, metro authorities, and we were very quick to respond, and for us, selection of the station was very natural because we have about 2,500 to 3,000 people working right across, and this is not even 100 meters away from here. So for them, it's it becomes like a home for them, and it has changed their life. I'll tell you, the guys who are sitting here, they don't want to come to Lower Parade. If I ask them to come there, probably they might half of them will resign. So it is so convenient, you know, and it is an infrastructure. It's a festival of infrastructure. The start of infrastructure boom in India, and infrastructure boom happens when the economy booms. Because economy booms, the taxation booms. When the tax collection booms, infrastructure booms. So that cycle is on, and it's just about the beginning. And once this little bit of uncertainty in the market gets over on 4th, I think we are going to get much more clarity about what shape of infrastructure boom country is going to have.
So you gave me my segue into the next question. Speaking of 4th of June, just 9 trading sessions left for the election, for the D-Day, for the result day. What is your sense of the government that's going to be coming in? What are you pitching for? What are the numbers that you're looking at? And especially in context with market, how do you think the market sentiment is going to be like?
So, one, the outcome of 4th is not knowable. Okay? The rest all are the at best intelligent guess, but my sense is this is not knowable. And hence, let's not worry too much about it. General environment is good. Mood is very good. So, retail participation is very good. That boom is on. So I would think that 4th will come and go, and then we'll see the vision of the next 5 years, and vision about the infrastructure, defense, consumption. A whole lot of things will be. It will be a very exciting phase of next 100 years, starting from 4th of June. So markets will also respond to that. In any case, retail boom is on. I think the real. Of course, the domestics are very, very positive. But foreigners are not that excited about the. Are they selling because they don't want to take the event risk of 4? If that is so, then that will also reverse. And if by chance they reverse, even for a few days, I think we'll see a lot of excitement in the market. But again, the behavior of FI is also not knowable. So why bother about it?
So FII come back, or maybe they may not come back. Not knowable at all. But speaking of, so let's say the BJP continues to stay in power. What do you think will be the effect of a continuity in the government?
Yeah, so continuity means there is no break of the policies. If anything, whatever policies were pursued, it will be pursued with a lot more vigor. Say Vande Mataram train, if they have done say 200 or 300, they may do in thousands. So like that, much more bigger ambitious things will be rolled out. And it also depends on how the economy responds, because government can respond based on how the economy responds. Because when the economy responds, the tax collection comes. If the tax collection comes, then the government's actions also happen. So it's a I would say double engine kind of thing, the economy and the government action. And so I'm more bullish on under the continuity. The economy will pick up. And one of the big events is the monsoon also, which is predicted to be more than normal in the current year. So 24-25 should be a very good year for the economy, for the rains, and for the inflation, monetary policy, fiscal policy. I think it's going to be, good time for the markets.
Like you said, sir, infrastructure needs to be focused on. If, let's say, Prime Minister Modi comes back, he has a special 100-day agenda. What sectors or what areas of growth would you like to pitch for in this 100-day agenda?
See, I keep looking at the overall economy and what concerns the corporate earnings. Those are our focus areas, But apart from that, every aspect, like I would like to see more focus on the education. I would like to see more focus on justice being delivered in time. That's one thing where I think we can do we can do a lot, and getting good set of ministers. I mean, Prime Minister also acts with a few hands. So if you get one Nitin Gadkari, I mean, I would like to have 25 Nitin Gadkaris in his cabinet, and then everything will. I mean, he will have 25 hands, so or 50 hands. So I think let's see. These are all dreams, aspirations, how things work out.
But that would definitely be eventful to see 25 Nitin Gadkari equivalent ministers who are efficiently working. I think that's a great thought, sir. We're also at a time when, let's say, Nifty has hit an all-time high. Metals are hitting an all-time high. Copper is up, gold, silver, everything's seeing a boom. Where do you see this going forward in terms of Nifty and Sensex? At the same time, other metals.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm quite stunned to look at the pace at which the gold, silver, zinc, aluminium, all those things are just flying off. So commodity boom is here after a long time. After some break, they are back. So maybe it augurs that there's a lot of liquidity in the global system, and the global economy, which suffered heavy damage because of COVID, now finally it is recovering. That's a sign of it. So I would think that it's a good thing is ahead across all the markets, commodities, non-commodities. I think equities all over the world, they are all of them are at all-time high. So I would expect that India will also join the race. In any case, we have been in all-time high. We are very close to all-time high, maybe a percentage or two below. So I would think very exciting time in foreseeable future in the markets, not only for stocks but also for metals, commodities.
Thank you so much for speaking with CNBC TV18, sir. Thank you.